How to make a hotspot work better on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Mobile Service as shown. Over here, go to Mobile Data Options. Here, go to Voice and Data. Select 5G Auto from the options. 5G Auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life. After that, go back and tap on Data Mode. Here, select Standard from the options. Standard mode allows automatic updates and background tasks on cellular data, but limits video and FaceTime quality. Now, go back to the mobile service page. Then, go to Personal Hotspot. Scroll down and turn on the Maximize Compatibility switch. Note that turning it on might reduce the internet performance for devices connected to your hotspot. Following these steps, you can easily make a hotspot work better on iPhone.